Today I am going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation fast and easy. Take it, select a new. Select a new document, create new blank document, blank presentation. Okay, there we go. There are two text boxes available already here. One is for the title and other I am going to use it to put a graphic or the list here, right here. I'll just go through the basics of the PowerPoint presentation and you will find it very easy to create any type of presentation you want from here onwards. What we are going to cover right now is how to create a presentation, how to put an object into the presentation, how to put an Excel graph, how to put a chart, and that will actually, I think so, do well with our presentation so far, even with our transitions as well as the sound, how it has to be attached to the page and how the theme has to be applied. Okay, let's start with this thing. Yeah, as you can see, there is two boxes already added here completely, so I have to click one of them to drag it upwards. Okay, I have to click the other one. Sales forecast and actuals. Okay, now the only thing is that I have to realign it to the center. So I take it to the home, click to the home, and I say align it to the center, and there we go, we have got it aligned to the center. Now suppose I could have easily have put actually a bulleted page here. Right now I'm going to actually put a more beautiful graphical bullets here, list here, and you will, I think so, you will also like it when I select the insert and I go to the shapes, and there are different ways, smart objects. Okay, here are the list that is already listed here. Okay, I can choose from this thing. I'm going to choose this one right now here, and I'm going to click OK, and here there are going to be three boxes that are going to be three bars that are going to fall in the boxes. Here we go, and then I'm going to resize this thing because I have to make them fit into my box, and that we have to do it here. And again it has got the resized. Again I have to see that they have a correct size here. I make them bigger here with this side, and length and breadth getting finally done. There we go. We have realigned it to the top position also, so this is going to be looking good. As you can see. Okay, now the only thing is that I have to get it corrected this side, and we are done. Now once we have done this thing, we can go and type the text whatever we want in the three boxes, and on the right side we can type whatever the text we would like to have it, and this is it. Once we get it to the point, we will start typing in a text, and then we will start formatting the box so that it looks good. As you can see on the top, there are different types of format available here, smart styles that are available here, and I can always reset the graphics if I don't like one. And there are a lot of layouts that will be available for the list, as you can see. So right now I'm going to type in the text box. In the text, I double click the text. As you have seen, I am going to retype it here, whatever I feel like, depending upon what the requirement is. As you see that I have got everything right here right now. Forecast, which shows the forecast for the year 2011, the actual sales for the year 2011. Next year the forecast for the year 2012. Now I want to format it to so that it looks good. The reason, so I select it, hold down the control key and let's say I wanted this one. This is how it would look. This is how the formatting is done. Okay, and this is how it looks. It looks excellent, isn't it? Now let's go and add a new slide. So I right click here, I click a new slide, and it adds a new slide on the left, as you can see it, and which is blank. Here we go. Now suppose if I wanted to add a title here, again I double click it, and I add a title. Okay, the title has been added. Now I go and click the list box from here onwards, and I select the arrows for my list, and once I've selected, I should be able to type it here. I'm going to select the list box from here onwards, click the list, and I select this one. There we go. Okay, this is how I have typed it, and this is how we got the next slide done. Okay, adding one more slide. So I have already added a title for it. Now I am going to show you how to insert a table. Click the insert, click the table, and you can select whatever columns and rows number you want, and there we go, and it has been added, the table has been added. Okay, as you can see. Now whatever way you want to format, you can format it, and suppose if you wanted to add a row into it, you can right click on the table and say insert or above whatever you want, and this is how you will get one more row added to it, and this is how it is. Suppose if you wanted to add a column to it, you could again do the same thing. Instead of saying inserting row, you could have said insert column. Column to the right. And you have got one more column. Right now I am not going to add anything to the table, and we are going to move to the next slide again by clicking right